What's up, homies? The channel has already 4,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. Just 1 month ago was 500. I read all of your comments. Thank you for likes and subscriptions. Your feedback helps me a lot to progress in drifting. I can't even imagine that my poll will be viewed from all around the world. We are building a worldwide drift community, guys. The greatest respect for Poland, Spain, France, Germany and Ukraine. I have a big problem, guys. I can't ride this car anymore. There were a lot of questions about why I'm driving on Polish plates in Ukraine, so I will start this journey from how I bought this car. 1 year ago, I just wanted to start drifting and bought my first U36 sedan 316.
A couple of days later, the antifreeze leaked a little out of the pipe and I went to the store to buy another. We started talking about drift with the store owner and he says that he already had a car prepared for drift, but with Polish plates. He bought it in Poland and made a cruise from that stock setup. This is how car looked like in Poland. We exchanged K for K as he wanted a car for daily use. This is how my adventures began with 36. After 12 days of riding on 316, I became 325 owner. Since 2013, Ukrainians have been importing cars from the European Union and there were a few loopholes in the laws that did not require custom clearance. But a week ago, new laws were introduced to fine the owners of these cars. The cost of customs clearance of this car is about $4,000 due to old age and engine capacity. It is pointless to waste money on it. My goal for 2021 is to build or buy 36 with Ukrainian registration. I have two options. First, fully sell this car, raise money, buy with Ukrainian plates and prepare it for drift. Second way, disassemble this car, buy Ukrainian body and move all the parts. To continue to drive on this car is very risky. The police stops cars for no reason and can write a large fine. I love this car so much. It's a symbol of this channel. First donuts, first drift trainings. This car fully changed my life. I met a lot of new great people who love cars and I am very thankful to all guys that were helping me a lot in repairing of the U36. I'm interested in your opinion on this situation. Ask questions. I will definitely answer them in the next video. The biggest support you can give me now is to like this video, write a big comment, hit the bell icon and subscribe to my Instagram. If you like my videos, share with friends, repost on Facebook, Instagram or other networks. I will be very grateful. I decided to open a donation service if anyone has a desire to speed up the process of building a new U36, link in the pinned comment. Have a nice day, build cars and be happy.